The purpose of verticulture is to make optimal use of the narrow land. The verticultural farming system may look complicated at first, but it is actually very easy to do after farmers get used to it. On today's video, we will discuss about verticulture. Forms of verticulture. Agriculture with verticulture technology can be applied into several models depending on available materials, conditions, and preferences. Materials such as bamboo, pipe gutter, pots, tarpaulin, used cans, even cement wrapping sheets or rice sacks can be used for verticulture. In essence, verticulture uses a container that can hold plant well and also bring some aesthetic values. Some of the verticulture technology models that can be applied are Vertiminaponics, which is the combination of vertical vegetable cultivation system based on plastic gutter pots with aquaponics. Thus, farmers not only produce veggies but also some fish. The planting media used on this model were zeolite and compost. Walkaponics, which is a vegetable cultivation system that integrates fish farming and vegetable farming. The principle of Walkaponics is quite similar to Vertiminaponics, but in this Walkaponics, the vegetable pots are arranged in such a way to form a vertical garden. The planting media used were zeolite and compost. Wall gardening model is a plant cultivation system using an empty wall. Several models of wall gardening include wall gardening tarp model. The material used is tarp that is shaped like a shoe holder. The planting medium used is a mixture of soil, husk, and compost or manure. Wall gardening pipes model. The material used is pipes or bamboo that is perforated as a place for plant growth. The planting medium is a mixture of soil, husk, and compost or manure. Wall gardening model of pot plant. The material used is a pot with an iron frame or block as a support. The planting medium used is a mixture of soil, seam, and compost or manure. Wall gardening partition or model model. The material used are agro and iron as a support. The planting media used is manure or compost. Growing media. Planting media is one of the most important factors that determine the success in plant cultivation. Planting media will determine the good or bad of plant growth, which is turn effect production result. The planting medium has the functions to support plants, provide nutrients, and provide a place for plant roots to grow and develop. Through growing media, plants get most of their nutrients. For the cultivations of plants in pots or polybags, the planting medium is made as a substitute for soil. Therefore, it must have similar functions of soil for plants. Types of plants. Vegetables to be planted should be adjusted according to available containers or the capacity of the container that will be used for growing the plants. With this verticultural technology, we can plant various types of plants, such as celery, chilies, eggplant, chives, cucumber, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, basil, and various other types of vegetables with short roots.